So the idea lagged for a while. And then all of a sudden, the Lady Gaga version comes up, which I'm sure most of you have seen. Let's see similarities. She's not a rock star so much as she's a pop star. And that's because we have the dancers behind her and we're sort of working in a different world. He, more or less, though, is a rock idol because it's cooler for boys to do rock than pop, right? We giggle at Justin Bieber. We think rock stars are hot. So he maintains the rock business. But here's a change that Bradley Cooper, who's one of the writers on the movie, definitely made. His dude is not jealous of her. He is supportive and happy. His problem is that he's an addict and he can't break his addiction. It has nothing to do. He's an addict before he meets her. Her popularity does nothing, has no change to that. So I think that's an important difference. And we're going to talk about why that difference happens. Same thing. They're going to write a song together, a beautiful song. Again, that's a very sexy thing for them to do. At the Grammy Awards, he's going to embarrass her, but not out of anger that she's getting attention. And I've got a little slide I'm going to show you on that. We're going to use the "one more look at you" line. So Dorothy Parker is still hanging out, not only in the plot, but in these lines. This time, her guy, and they call him Jackson Maine because Norman is boring and so is John by the time we get to 2019. What we do is, he doesn't cheat on her. In the other ones, the woman finds the guy cheating because he finds another young girl that, will make him feel better because his wife is better than he is. He does not do that. Bradley Cooper did not want his character to do that. Like Chris Christopherson, though, he will commit suicide essentially on screen. We're going to know what he's doing and it's not off, lose his body and nobody has to see him. She's going to see his body when they find him. And in the more modern world, if you want to call it that, she is just Allie, like Cher is Cher, right? And Beyonce is Beyonce. She is Allie. So at the end of the movie, she can't change her name, but she does in fact introduce herself as Allie Maine. So she establishes that last name repetition from the previous versions.